Thank you.
Good. Now you tell me, are we filming it now?
Oh, yes.
All right. Hello. My name is Borat. I'm here today to do a special singing telegram for Robert on his birthday, being sent by a beautiful lady named Jessica. So what I'm going to do is be putting this right on. You're certainly welcome. Now, I want to let you know, I'm coming all the way from Kakistan to sing it today, because Robert, we are a little disappointed in you, you know.
Oh, why is that?
Because your birthday is national holiday in Kakistan, but you're not there to celebrate with us. That's okay. That is why I am coming here. Okay? You're certainly welcome. So what I'm going to do is take an air guitar right here. I'm going to sing a little song. It's coming from my lips, but from heart of Jessica. And here's how it goes. And a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. I didn't want to send you chocolates, cause chocolates ain't as sweet as you. Just wanted to say in an unusual way that I'm wishing happy birthday to you. So happy birthday to you, Robert boy. Yes, I truly love you. It's your birthday now. All I say is, oh wow, I'm wishing happy birthday to you. And of course I have to sing happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Robert, you sexy guy you, happy birthday to you. There we go. But I am not done yet. I'm not done yet. Good. We're still filming. Hello, you see me in there, okay? In Kakistan, we don't have a technology advancements like this, so I'm not very familiar with how to play. But first, I'm going to give you something before I go. There's a little card. Let me read to you, make it especially formal. Dear Robert, hope your birthday is filled with wonderful gifts like me and joyful moments. Borat was sent with love, of course, from Jessica. That is so sweet of you, Jessica.
Thank you.
Jessica asked me to give you something as cute and as adorable as you. Robert, nothing more cute and adorable than you than little teddy bear right there. That's so sweet. So that is little teddy bear. We're going to put that right here. Now, I'm going to make you a special gift before I go, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to go inside the bag and get out the 2 balloons. So one balloon right here and a yellow balloon right here. Now, we'll take a green balloon. I'm stretching like this, like so. I'm going to put it on the end of the pump. Now, we're going to pump it up. Let me see. I'm going to say right about there we go. Okay? We're going to make a little tie like a saw. Okay? And now we go down to this end and make a little tie like this right here. And then a little bubble like this right here. Now, Robert, this takes 2 balloons to make. This is balloon number 1. Okay?
Okay.
Put it over there. Take a yellow balloon, make a little stretch like so, put on the pump. Now we're going to pump up just like the first one, okay? So, we go right in here. There we go. And put the pump back inside the bag. Now we'll take a yellow balloon and make a little tie like a saw. And now we make a little twisty and little tie like a here. And then a little tie like a here. And now we make one little squeeze and twist it, and then one little squeeze and twist it, then a final squeeze and twist it. Now, we're going to be taking the yellow balloon, and now we insert inside the green balloon like so. And now what we're going to do is we make your special Kakistan birthday king hat for you to wear. There you go. Look, can we see? There, yes. All right. You're welcome. Now wait. While you are holding camera there, and I am next to you, first I'm saying it was pleasure and honor from Borat to come all the way from Kakistan. And of course, before I go, have to give Robert traditional, call it parting kiss that we give in Kakistan. There you go. All right. Happy birthday. You guys have a wonderful birthday celebration. You guys ever come to Kakistan, come see me at my house. I treat you to full cow and pig dinner. All right? All right. There you go. Hey, my buddy, you have a great birthday today.
Thank you.
All right? You're welcome, my friend. Have a good one.